Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating your Notion workspace and picking one clear top-level page. This gives structure immediately. Sign in, install the app if you want offline access, and choose a template only if it matches your workflow. Once done, rename the homepage to your project or role so navigation makes sense. You do this to reduce future friction, template speed setup, but a clean blank page lets you design precisely for goals and tasks. Now you build the meat of the system, pages for context and databases for structured work. Create a database for tasks with properties like status, due date, assignee, and priority. This makes filtering and sorting possible. Once the database exists, add multiple views, table for bulk edits, board for movable stages, calendar for scheduling. Make sure to link databases into project pages. That keeps information visible where you need it and reduces duplicate entries so updates stay consistent. Finish by automating and sharing so the work actually gets done without friction. Add reminders and recurring tasks for repeated actions and set simple automations like template buttons to create consistent notes. When you share, double-check permissions, give edit rights to collaborators and comment only to reviewers, because permissions control workflow. If something breaks, troubleshoot. Refresh the app, confirm internet, and remove heavy embeds. Those are the most common causes of slow sync. One clear fix often resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.